In April 1965, northern Indiana faced one of the fiercest tornado outbreaks in American history, now known as the Palm Sunday tornadoes. As survivors emerged from the debris, tales of supernatural encounters began to surface. Many residents reported hearing whispers of warnings moments before the twisters struck, saving several lives. These mysterious voices fueled speculation about spiritual guardians guiding townspeople to safety. Families that sought shelter in basements and storm cellars credited these whispers for their miraculous survival. This chilling combination of natural disaster and elements of the supernatural marked the Palm Sunday tornadoes as a haunting chapter, blending reality with inexplicable intrigue.